Teacher tip 95. Give students the benefit of the doubt, but not repeatedly. When students do something wrong, they might have an excuse or reason for it. Listen to them and accept it. But if they continually cross the line or they do something wrong or inappropriate, take action. We have to give our students a chance because obviously things happen and they are also learning. But if they repeatedly cross that line, that is not good. If they make the same bad decisions or they don't do their homework or they get into fights, then that is a behavior that is unwanted and that you want to change. As a teacher, it's your responsibility to give them the benefit of the doubt, but if they do the same transgressions over and over again, you've got to talk to them and you've got to punish them to change that behavior. Teacher tip 96. Never stop learning. Be a lifelong learner. Always look out for new things to try in your classroom. We are often reminded that as teachers, we should also be lifelong learners. We should constantly be learning and trying out new things to improve as people and improve as teachers. We should learn new techniques, use new content, and try different things in our classroom to become better. If we just do the same thing over and over again, we won't improve. And remember, the world is also changing. We need to adapt. We've seen this with teaching online. Teachers have had to learn new skills, and that will continue to happen in the future. New things will happen, and as teachers, we need to adapt. So we have to have that mindset of being a lifelong learner. Learning never stops. We have to continually improve. Teacher tip 97. Focus on what works. Strive for excellence, not perfection. What does that mean? If you have something that works in the classroom, if it's a procedure or an activity or a way that you teach, continue doing that. Add extra things to make it interesting. But if something works, don't try and change it. What is that expression? Don't try and change a winning formula. Use the things that work for you, that work for your students, but add some extra things and try different things as well. But that being said, don't stray away from things that work for you in the classroom. Consistency is key, so perhaps use 80% of the things that work and maybe 20% of new ideas that you want to try out.